In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete payment information and credit cards. By the end, you'll know how to review what your browser has saved, remove any cards you don't want stored, and turn off autofill so new details aren't saved again. Start by opening your browser and looking to the top right corner. Click the three dots, sometimes called the More or Customize menu. This opens a menu with a range of options for managing your browser. Next, click on Settings. This will open a new tab with all of your browser's controls. If you don't see the section we need right away, that's okay. Settings is organized by categories, and we're heading to the one that handles what the browser remembers for you. Find and click on Autofill and Passwords. This is where your browser stores information like addresses, saved logins, and the payment methods we're about to manage. It's a good place to periodically review what's being remembered, especially on shared or work devices. Within Autofill and Passwords, click on Payment Methods. Here you'll see the list of cards and payment profiles your browser has stored. If you're cleaning house, look through each entry carefully. For any card you don't want saved, use the Remove or Delete option next to it. Some entries may be tied to your account and might show a Manage link. If you see that, use the link provided on this page to complete the removal. Deleting a card here removes it from the browser's autofill suggestions, which helps protect your information and reduces the chance of using an outdated card at checkout. To make sure the browser doesn't keep saving new payment details, disable Save and Fill payment methods. Toggle the switch off. With this turned off, your browser will stop prompting you to save card numbers, and it won't automatically fill payment fields on websites. This is especially useful if you prefer entering details manually or if you're using a device that other people might access. A few quick tips as you wrap up. If you use sync across devices, changes you make here may reflect on your other signed-in devices depending on your settings. After deleting cards, try visiting a checkout page to confirm there are no autofill suggestions you didn't intend to keep. And if you rely on autofill for convenience, consider leaving the feature on but removing only the cards you no longer use. That's it. You've reviewed your saved payment methods, removed what you don't need, and turned off saving and autofill to prevent new entries. This simple cleanup keeps your payments more secure and your browser tidier.